Hey guys, we're preparing for a big night out on the town here in BGC, or otherwise known as Bonifacio Global City. So stay tuned till the end and you'll see all the fun we're going to have tonight. You don't get this in Florida. Amazing. Thank you. Okay. Well, we just got done. That crispy, what was that crispy stuff on the table that we were chopping up?
Crispy pata.
Crispy pata. That stuff was absolutely delicious. We just got through having supper at a restaurant. We are in BGC. What is the mall we're in?
Uptown.
Uptown Mall. And what was the restaurant right there?
Livestock.
Livestock restaurant in the Uptown Mall in BGC. And we had a fabulous dinner. And I would like to give a big shout out to Kevin, M, Alvin, and Sydney. Thank you guys for helping me have such a great time. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. And you guys are absolutely fantastic, and you really made me feel welcome and made me feel at home in the Philippines, and I'm thankful for that. And we had a good time. And so now, again, thank you guys for subscribing. Please tell all your friends to subscribe. But we're fixing to walk around. We are in the Uptown Mall. We're going to do some walking around. We're going to go get some buko juice. If you don't know what that is, we'll show you in just a minute. So hang on, and we're going to show you what buko juice is. We'll be right back shortly. So hang in. This is buko juice, and we are at Fructas in Uptown Mall, and now we are going to walk and drink our buko juice. This is the food court in the Uptown Mall, and they've got everything in the world you could want here, and it's absolutely amazing. They do not have malls like this in the United States of America. And we have not even been to the biggest mall yet, which is the Mall of Asia, or as we call it here, the MOA, which is, how far is MOA from here? Okay, well, they say that it's like a marathon trying to walk around MOA. Anyway, we're going to drink our buko juice, and then we're going to give some more highlights coming up of what is to be seen in the central part of BGC here in Taguig in Metro Manila. Isn't it beautiful? We are in BGC, just walking around Uptown, taking in the sights. Fixing to walk across the street and get some footage of a really old, interesting looking hotel. I think it's an old hotel that's been converted into an office building. So we're fixing to go across the street, right across the street. We'll show you in just a second. Stay with us, it gets better. Yeah, it gets better. Well, I guess we're gonna call it a night and head back. This is the, I don't know what this statue is behind me, that big, what is that behind me, do you know? Oh, it's a big guy on a horse with a flag. Anyway, we've been all over Taguig, well not all over, we've been through the Uptown area of BGC, and we've given you some walking footage of, they're just walkways everywhere and beautiful lights and things to see. Beautiful hotels and really nice people. And for you people that like to drink, there's bars everywhere, but we don't drink, so. But the people here are really nice, and there's security guards everywhere. As you can see, the buildings are beautiful. There's just so much to do down here. So if you get a chance to come to BGC at nighttime, it's a really neat place to come and just spend time with your asawa, with your magnificent other, as I would like to call mine. Some people have a significant other, but I've got a magnificent other. So anyway, for the night, this is Matthew and Marielle. Eminem is traveling to Philippines, and so for now we're going to call it a night. We're going to head back home in some horrendous Metro Manila traffic. We're going to take a Grab car and head back. So for all you who were with us tonight, thank you for helping us have a good time. For everybody who hasn't subscribed, please hit that button right down there, or it may be down there depending on which way I edit the video. Please like or subscribe if you like what we're doing. Anyway, we love you guys. Thanks for watching, and until next time, God bless. All right, a little bit of bonus footage real quick. The guy on the statue right over there is very important, and my wife is going to tell you who that is. That is
Andres Bonifacio.
Andres Bonifacio, hence Bonifacio Global City. And what is the name of the flag he's carrying? The symbol of the flag is the kataas.
Kataas-taasang, kagalang-galangang katutunan ng mga anak ng bayan.
And if you can say that 5 times fast, I'll give you 1,000 Philippine pesos. Anyway, that's the bonus footage. I didn't want to sound stupid. That's not just a guy on a horse. That's Andres Bonifacio. God bless you. I love you. Good night. Please subscribe. Ingat.